Hey guys, I'm back. I'm not riding right now. Decided to come out here to the park and show you what's new on the Ryker. Of course, I rode all the way over here and I did not hit record on my sound equipment, so there's no audio. Alright, so welcome back. I know it's been a while, but you know, if you're here, please like, subscribe, notifications, yada yada yada. So here's the Ryker, and there have been a few minor modifications done since last time, and I'm going to walk you through it. We'll start up top. First things first, I got this little bad boy. Obviously it's a Bluetooth controller for the phone. Thing works awesome, connects really quick. You know, just you can do play, pause, back, forward with the tracks, hold it, its volume, decrease it, negative volume. The one thing is, you're gonna have to do a little search on Amazon to get these handlebar spacer rings, because this thing is big. I mean, the cutout here is big, and the stuff it is supplied with is tiny. You know, but they're on Amazon, they're cheap enough. So, but it's relatively tight on there, so you can hit it with your thumb and it's good. Put the grip puppies back on, and yes, the heated grips do work through grip puppies. It just takes a little bit longer. Obviously the windshield is back on for the season. That was the working stuff up top. Now we'll just come over here and we'll take a look at the what would you call it, the cosmetics. And no, I'm not going to be here cleaning shit in the middle of winter and picking out leaves. It is what it is. Let's just go like this. My friend, she just got a 2023 Ryker Rally, and it had a couple of parts on it. That this one being a 2021 900. You know, they didn't even meet the sport back then, so it's just a 900. Yeah, I decided that I'm gonna add a few things. So let's go through it. So the first thing is these down here. Now they're similar to the factory, but they're not. These are a lot thicker. I added these as well since we're over here. This one has a screen in it, the other side does not. These clip on. Obviously you can tell you have to screw these in. Yeah, you're gonna have to dig into your plastic right here to do any installations. Except for this. Like I said, this just clips on. Everything else, like these two, you're gonna have to drill holes in your plastic. And trust me, I know it's very intimidating, but it's relatively easy. These panels come off. You're gonna have to take this off. You're gonna have to take this off, and that's it. Oh, and the hood, but that snaps in and out, so no big deal. You're basically gonna have to reach behind here after you take the hood off, and you pull and you pull the tab over here. You'll feel it, and over here, and this will come off. This will slide out, and then underneath here, that's my skid plate. So underneath here, you're either gonna have 2 bolts like I do, or you're gonna have 2 push pins. Either one works. But even this simple thing back here, it gets I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, there's a screw there too. Even if you get the skid plate, you're still gonna have to drill into your plastic. Now the back side of these plastics, because these are modeled off of factory stuff, there's little dimples in there, and places to capture nuts in the back. You could just take these parts, put them on, mark, drill, and put the bolt in. Not that complicated. The same thing on this side. Once you get this back, there's a push pin there, and there's back there. And the same thing. Now, the problem I had is that this comes in silver. This and this came in like really fake looking carbon fiber, like really bad. So obviously I spray painted them. That was easy enough. It's just a regular rattle can Krylon paint. I mean, you know, these parts weren't expensive. They're only like, so it's about 120 for the skid plate. You know, this little doohickey over here, and none of it's functional. It's obviously it's all cosmetic, but you know, that one was only like $80, and I think that was like $90 back here, and this is like $100 up here. So it wasn't worth taking it to a body shop or to buy actual automotive paint. This is regular Krylon, just, you know. But if you're interested, I'll just go through it. So there is a base coat of black satin spray paint, followed by a black textured, not matte, it's actually textured. I don't know if you could hear it, but you know, I was trying to mimic this as best as possible. Yeah, so there's and then I coated that on top of it with another coat of satin, just to take out the grittiness of the textured paint. It's not super shiny. It kind of matches the plastic, but it's not, I don't believe it's matte. So, like I said, that's what it looks like. If you're interested, it's not difficult. It's not even expensive. 2 bolts, push pins, little clips. Pull it out, drill the holes, put it back in, and you're done. You know, I didn't film it because it was cold as heck, and I did it at night. So, take my word for it. This is once you get past the fact that you have to drill into your plastic, so it's easy. Well, that's all I got for you today. You know, and even the stupid those wannabe hubcaps. That's nothing but blockout plugs for a sink. So you could do some stuff on the cheap. So, well, folks, there you go. There's the Ryker in wintertime glory. I'll catch you guys on the next time. Once again, you know, do me a favor, like, subscribe, notifications, yada yada yada, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.